Hi, welcome everybody to the dedicated focus on the benchmark of the Galaxy Note 2. So we have here the benchmark suite and that we will use in this dedicated focus. We have Quadrant standard, we have Antutu benchmark, and the last is Speednet. So let's start with Quadrant standard. Here we go. In the meanwhile, I will remind you the technical specs of this device. We have an Exynos quad-core GPU clocked at 1.6 GHz. We have ARM Mali 400 MP GPU, and we have 2 GB of RAM. Really a huge quantity of RAM. This is maybe one of the fastest, if not the fastest device between the Android ones. So let's see how it does behave in this benchmark, which is now finished. Oops, we couldn't submit the benchmark because of network error, so we will repeat it once more. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I was telling you that this is the fastest device up to date we have on the Android market. So it would be very interesting to compare it against devices having the new quad-core architecture from the Qualcomm. So we will see in the future. As soon I will be able to test one of those devices. In the meanwhile, we finished one more. Let's hope for the best now. Okay, we could manage. We have a score of 5,866. But I can tell you that I easily reached 6,000 in other benchmark, in other Quadrant benchmark I performed in the recent days. Anyway, this is a very good score if you compare it against the other device. Here we have here in the test. So now we have Antutu benchmark. As you can see, I already performed this test and we will do it once more together. So let's see how does it perform. Here we go, we had a result of 13,567 score. Let's submit it. It's quite a good score. 13,500. These are the highest possible score, but they've been reached with an overclocked Korean version of the Galaxy S3. If we do compare this against the same result made by other Galaxy Note 2, which are possibly not overclocked, you can see that we are almost in line with the standard result. Well, let's perform the latest and maybe the most meaningful of the three benchmark. This one does really let us test the radio subsystem of the Galaxy Note 2, having a mobile operator which is H3G and using a server inside its own network. You can see that the server is inside H3G network too. The mobile operator H3G has here where I live a very performing cellular The mobile operator H3G has here where I live a really performing mobile cell. It is capable of 42.1 megabit per second. As well, the phone is capable of 21 megabit per second. So let's see how does it perform in this test. We have 76 millisecond per millisecond ping. We have almost 12 megabyte per second download speed, and we have almost 3 megabyte per second upload speed. Let's do it once more. Now we have 12.5 megabyte per second, and we have more than 3 megabyte per second in upload speed. Let's do it last time. We almost reached, just for a little bit we didn't reach 13 megabyte per inch, and once more we were a little bit more than 3 megabyte per second in upload speed. As you can see from the historical of the test performed, this device is quite a really good performer for what concern the net speed. We have here a maximum of 13.01 in download speed, and we have a maximum of 3.65 megabit per inch in upload speed. So once more, this device is on top of all the other Android devices nowadays. So once more, thanks for watching. Bye from TechnoLost.